Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Banban with a guitar. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a small U shape for the top of the head. Then from both ends, let's draw a curve going out. Now on the left side, let's draw two angles up, meeting at a point. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the horns. Now let's move down and let's draw angles down for the sides of the head. Now we're going to hop inside and draw the face. At the top, let's draw two circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside on the bottom left. And now let's color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start by drawing a curve across. Then from the left, let's curve it down slightly. Now before we continue, let's draw the tongue. Let's start with a curve on an angle. Then let's curve it down and back up. And then one more curve on the right to close off the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's start drawing the body. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw the first arm. Let's start by drawing an angle down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now on top of this line, let's add another curve. Then near the top, let's step down and let's draw another curve up. Now let's move back down to the bottom and let's draw the hand. For the end, let's draw two angles out. And then a wavy line to close off the hand. Now before we draw the other arm, let's draw the guitar first. We'll start on top of the arm and let's draw a small curve. And then continue it on the other side of the arm and bring it up underneath. Now for the ends of both lines, let's draw two curves going upwards on an angle. Next, from the top line, let's draw an angle going up. Now for the other side, let's draw a small angle up, stopping here. Then before we continue, let's add the hand. Let's start with two angled lines. Then a wavy line at the top to close it off. Now that we have the hand, let's continue the guitar by angling it up on the other side. Now for the top of the guitar, let's add a rounded rectangle shape. Now let's hop inside and let's draw two rounded rectangles. Now let's hop back out and let's draw 2 small rectangles on the top and on the bottom side. And then color all of these in black. And that's it for the shape of the guitar. Now let's move in and let's draw the details. Inside the guitar, let's start by drawing an oval. And then another one inside. And then let's color the inside one in black. Next, let's hop down to the bottom section and let's draw 2 angled lines. And then close off the end. And color this in black as well. Lastly, let's add the guitar strings. Let's start at the top and let's draw an angled line down. And then continue it on the other side of the hand all the way down. And then on the other side of the hand as well. Now let's add another string in the same way on the left and right. And that's it for the guitar. Now let's move over and let's finish drawing the right arm. Let's start underneath the right hand and let's draw a curve down and back up for the arm. Now let's hop back up next to the neck and let's draw a curve down to the guitar and then continue it down on the other side. And that's it for the arms. Now let's finish drawing the rest of the body. Let's start underneath the left armpit and let's draw a line down. Then hop over to the right side and let's draw a line down. And then continue it below the guitar for the first leg. Now let's hop to the left and let's draw another line down, bringing it a little bit longer. Now let's do the same thing on the other side for the left leg. Now at the bottom, let's add the feet by curving it out and back in. And that's it for Banban with the guitar. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!